Hey, so far we have talked about creating your profile on LinkedIn, populating your timeline with relevant posts, could be videos, pictures, so that people get attracted to your services and contact you for their business related queries. In this video, I'm going to talk about using LinkedIn to find jobs. You heard it right. People often ignore the importance of using LinkedIn, but LinkedIn is one effective tool where companies post projects, not just full time job employment opportunities, but also remote work from home opportunities. So, all you need to do is navigate to the job section on your mobile phone. Once you click on it, you need to search the skill you're finding job for, and then by applying few filters you can select the country. You can also select the nature of your job. In your case, since you want to work from home, want to offer your services as a remote worker, you would probably be advised to select remote jobs. And then you'll see list of handful jobs in that country that pay you a good amount every single month, every single week salary, right? But from the comfort of couch at home, you're not required to leave your house. So you could be sitting in some, any country. Or you could be working for a company offering their services in Manhattan, USA, or Dublin, Ireland, or Johannesburg, South Africa, London, England. That is the beauty of LinkedIn. Freelancers who are subject matter expert, after having gone through that 90 days period, I often talk about 45 days set aside for learning, 45 days set aside for practicing the skill and becoming a craftsman, and then going on LinkedIn and searching for jobs related to your field and applying for those jobs. LinkedIn is one effective tool for finding remote jobs.